Good morning! Another day here in Heartopia! So, sunny na today, kaya kailangan na natin magpalit ng outfit. For summer na ulit yung pipiliin nating outfit kasi hindi na bagay yung panglamig dahil napakainit na naman sa labas. I'm thinking of using this yellow skirt na may polka dots. Then, remove na natin yung ating long, loose socks. I also wanna show you my shoe collection. Lahat to binili ko except lang dun sa mga iba na for free. But the Mary Janes and the flats, yan mga Mary Janes, binili ko yan. Let's just go with my favorite skirt, yung suot ko before. And then this green top again kasi it goes so well with the skirt. And of course, our little flower boater. Tapos magsuot na rin tayo ng shades. And we're gonna change the sling bag. Gusto ko tong dark brown with a checkered pattern. Then, of course, our ruffle socks. Magsusuot pa ba tayo ng shades or tatanggalin na lang natin and then just add a few accessories. Pero feeling ko pag may accessory siyang dala, parang ang bigat-bigat sa katawan. So, wag na muna for today. And then, here you go. Our fit for today dahil mainit na. Yan, outfit check! And then, last night ko lang nalaman kung paano gagawin yung sa winter prep. O kung hindi nyo pa alam, you just have to go to Bailey J pala. And then, Annie's going to be there. And the winter prep option will appear on your mobile na. And you have to do some things for Vanya, Naniwa, and Miss Joanne. Kawawa dito si Annie kasi nagugutom siya. And syempre, unahin ko si Vanya. So, pumunta kay Vanya. And when you do this quest, like the daily quest that we do every day, you have to be prepared. So, in here, I'm very lucky na prepared ako or may mga stocks ako sa backpack. So, kailangan mong ibigay yung mga request nila para magkaroon ka ng stamp. So, at first, you just need 3 stamps from Vanya, Naniwa, and Miss Joanne. Hindi ko na na-record yun. Ito lang yung na-record ko. So, here, you need to give Vanya 3 pieces of fish. And then, for Naniwa, as far as I can remember, you have to give him 10 insects. Then, for Miss Joanne, kailangan kang gawin kay Dorothy. Parang kailangan mong hanapin yung fur ball. And it's glowing, it's not gonna be mahirap. But the last fur ball will be behind the gifts. Yung may mga balloon na tinatambay ni the collector. So when you're done with the 3 stamps from Vanya, Naniwa, and Miss Joanne, you have to go back to Annie. So she will give you the opinion collection. So para siyang passport, something. And then, akala mo doon na nagtatapos lahat, pero hindi. Kailangan mo pa ng maraming stamps kapag nagkaroon ka na ng opinion collection. Here, Eric is calling. So, may mga sinasabi sa dyan. Gutom talaga si Annie. And then, you'll have the opinion collection passbook or parang booklet. Here, meron naman may ipapakita ng mga guide. Check nyo na lang. Late ko na lang din kasi nalaman to. Everyone has stamps already. Ayan. If you need to know more, just open your watch or your mobile and then sa winter prep. Ayan, makikita mo yung mga stamps na need mo pa. And you only have 2 days to do it. Tapos here in your backpack, you will see na meron ka ng opinion collection book or yung passbook. And then you will go around the town to have it stamped. First stamp is from Cassie. Yung task niya here is you have to catch 10 insects sa forest. Then na-record yung second stamp ko and I can't remember kung sino yun. Pero here, I'm on my way to my 3rd stamp. I have to stop kasi gutom na yung ating mga fox. So, kailangan mo natin punuin to ng food. And we'll go to have our 3rd stamp, which is si Vernie. So, in here sa map, makikita nyo yung may mga check na kailangan yung puntahan for stamps. So, may mga naman dyan. Pwede nyo silang i-track para hindi rin kayo mawala. Here, you can see ang dami pa natin kailangan puntahan. So, let's go to our 3rd stamp. Sana all. Sana ganyan ako kabilis tumakbo in real life. Tulad ng sabi ko earlier, you need to be prepared. So, kailangan may dala ka ng mga kailangan nila. And just before I went here, bumili ako kay Blank ng 5 na fertilizer. So, 5 lang yung dala kong fertilizer. Lagi ako naubusan ng fertilizer kasi lagi ko siyang ginagamit para maganda yung crops ko. Medyo hesitant pa si Vernie dito bigyan ako ng stamp. Ang tagal. So, yung aking 4th stamp, I think I have to go to the Gazing Boy. Cute niya, kawig siya ni Winter. Here, what you need to remember before you go to Vernie and then dito kay Gazing Boy and then dun sa susunod pa, they all needed fertilizer. So, wala na akong fertilizer kaya sabi ko, babalik na lang ako. Pero dahil nandun na ako sa Whale Mountain, nag-emote muna ako dyan. And then here kay Passionate Girl, kailangan niya rin ng fertilizer so wala na talaga tayong dala. Kaya we needed to go home and make fertilizer. Buti na lang marami akong weed. In front of my house, nandun si Albert Jr. So nagbenta na rin ako ng mga food and crop for more gold coins and space sa backpack. So here at home, I just made 20 pieces of fertilizer. Just in case kailanganin ko pa, dinamihan ko na. And then agad-agad, I went back to Gazing Boy. I went offline for a few hours and then when I came back, grabe na yung snow, grabe yung climate change dito sa Heartopia. Tapos, binigyan ko na si Gazing Boy ng 3 pieces of fertilizer. And then finally, I got my Opinion Collection stamp by Gazing Boy. And we'll go to Passionate Girl. She also needs 3 pieces of fertilizer. And ang dami na nating baon na fertilizer ngayon, di na tayo mauubusan. Grabe yung pagtatak na gigil talaga. Next is with Will sa Lighthouse. Also needed fish like Vanya. Buti na lang marami tayong baon. And so, just like that, we got our Opinion Collection stamp right away. This is my 7/9 stamp. And then this is my 8. Mari na ang hirap puntahan kasi nasa dulo na yung house niya. She also needed fish, 3 pieces of fish. It's very important that you save your fishes. Especially if you don't have quest to do, just go fish and fish and fish. Nakaka-level up pa yun ng fish. And there you have it. I have my 8/9. My last stamp was from my best friend. Mali ako ng pindot kaya hindi ko na na-record yung stamp from her. Ayan, napunta sa mga pagkain. Since I'm done with all the stamps, punta lang ako sa Central saglit. But dito ko kayo ulit idadaan sa Piano Street. Ito yung sinasabi ko from my last video. Pag nag-start na yung snow, you will see Doris here. So, dyan kay Doris kayo makakabili ng mga different colored candy. So, every time na mag-snow, iba-iba yung binibenta niyang candies. You can check her Fortune store and then you will see the candies there. Sugar pala, indigo sugar. So, mga sugar pala, colored sugar. And for me, marami ako palaging binibili kasi I need them for the cakes. And then, before we forgot our agenda for today, kailangan na natin ipasa kay Eric yung complete na opinion collection book natin. And then, he will tell you some stuff about the ice skating rink, etc., etc. And then, you will have the silent egg grabbing machine. So, parang siyang well na may mga Kinder eggs. Then, we're done with our winter prep. I also went to Massimo pala when I went to the Central to buy more milk and check on the groceries that I don't have anymore. Yung mga meat kasi hindi ko pa naman siya nagagamit for cooking but pinapakain ko sa mga fox. Then, some cheese to make the cheesecake and some coffee beans to make coffee. And then, chinek ko na rin baka may mga available recipes na pero wala pa. I need to level up. Tapos, I also went to the pet store to buy Tuxedo Mask his food. Kahit marami pa naman, gusto ko lang mag-stock ng madami. Tapos, may mga new puppies na sila today. Ang cute itong Shiba Inu. Pero hindi pa ako mag-a-adopt ng dog today. Gusto ko lang silang tingnan-tingnan. Gusto ko muna makabond or ma-full ko na yung bonding namin ni Tuxedo Mask before I adopt a dog. So, here, let's buy Tuxedo Mask his food. Very, very spoiled. I saw this cactus head, pero akala ko tulugan siya. Akala ko bed, bed, yung parang binili natin yesterday. But it's a costume and binili ko siya kaagad kasi nga akala ko kama. Hindi ko nabasa na pet costume siya. But yeah, I bought it anyway. Pagka-uwi ko na na-realize na costume pala siya. And ayoko pa muna mag-costume ngayon si Tuxedo Mask kasi cute na nga siya as ganun na gusto ko nakikita ko yung buong face niya. Anyway, ayun, there you go. We're done with the pet shop. One last look kay Shiba Inu na dog. I want him. Kaya lang sociable and clingy. Masyadong matrabaho. So, next time. Ayun, before ako umuwi, may nakita akong parang pile ng snow dyan. And then, bago siya, so pwede ka palang gumawa ng snowman. And super cute. So, I had a quick photo shoot with my snowman. I took a lot of pictures for the thumbnail also. So, when I got home, I played with Tuxedo Mask again. Hindi ko pa masyadong gamay yung pakikipaglaro sa kanya. Hopefully, I will get better next time. Para mas mabilis yung bonding namin. And then also, naligo na din siya. Nilinisan ko na siya dyan. That's it. Thank you for coming today with me to get our stamps. And before I let you go, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung costume, yung cactus costume on Tuxedo Mask. He is very cute. I really thought this was a bed, kaya I bought it. Para yung isang tulugan is dun na sa puppy in the future, but I guess bibili na lang ulit tayo ng kama in the future. Thank you again for coming with me and I'll see you again next time. Bye!